As we are almost done with setting up of development environment to build node-based applications by using MongoDB as database, let us go ahead and set up datasets so that we can not only explore MongoDB in detail by writing advanced queries, but also we can use these datasets in the process of building web applications using node-based backend. That being said, you can click on this link to go to our GitHub repository. Once you click, you will see the page like this. If you already have Git set up on your PC, you can expand this, copy this command and go to command prompt and say git clone and paste this URL, and it will take care of cloning the GitHub repository onto the location where you ran the git clone command. However, if you are using Windows and if you don't have Git or Git Bash, then you can download the zip file by clicking on this. It will download a file called as data-master.zip. We have to just unzip wherever we want, and then we can start using the datasets which are available as part of this repository. We'll be loading some of these files into MongoDB so that we can explore some of the rich querying capabilities of MongoDB. And also, while building applications, we'll be writing certain APIs where we can fall back on already existing data that comes as part of this repository. And hence, setting up this data repository is very, very important. And we'll walk you through some of the important directories which we'll be using after the setup is done. Now it is downloaded. We can go to show in folder here, and then we can actually extract by saying extract all. Let's extract to a directory called as data. Okay, it is extracted to subdirectory called as data master under data, and we have all these directories and files. We can copy these things by saying Ctrl A, and then I want to copy these files to C drive data. I have already copied. We will be using either retail_db or retail_db JSON to actually get the data into MongoDB, and then once the data is loaded into MongoDB collection, we will actually see how to write queries against those collections when we actually get into the advanced features of MongoDB. Even while learning to build applications, we'll be using the data model that is relevant to these datasets which comes as part of this retail_db database. So we have 6 tables: orders, order items, departments, customers, categories, and products. We'll be using these to build order management system as we learn how to build applications using Node.js and MongoDB as database.